Welcome back to Scrively. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to make small edits to your images in the editor. To get started, click Edit Illustration at the top left or right side of your image. In the Edit Image field, describe the changes you'd like to make. If your edit involves specific characters, be sure to tag the appropriate reference characters. Want to review your current image before making changes? Click Cancel to return to the editor. Your prompt will remain available so you can come back and apply the changes when you're ready. When you're ready, click Apply Changes and give Scrively a few moments to process the request. Your updated image will appear with the changes applied. Not satisfied with the results? Click Undo to remove the changes. Want to view the updated version again? Click Redo. Scrively makes it easy to make quick adjustments and refine your images directly within the editor. Join us in our next tutorial where we'll show you how to make advanced edits to your images.